Hello, I'm Cybex author William Panek. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WSUS, the Windows Server Update Services, on a Windows Server 2012 R2. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go ahead and start Server Manager in the lower left-hand corner. When Server Manager pops up, it'll take a second. Once you see everything load on the left-hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click Add Roles and Features. At the Before You Begin screen, I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. This is a role-based installation, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it where it says role-based, feature-based, and say Next. I'm going to go ahead and install it on Server A, because it's the only server I have in this domain, so I'm going to say Next. Then what I'm going to do is, when I get to the server roles, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm actually going to choose Windows Server Update Services. Now a box is going to appear saying I need to add some additional features. I'll say Add Features. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. When I get to the Select Features screen, I'm just going to go ahead and say Next. Box is going to actually ask me now about Windows Server Update Services. Go ahead and click Next. I'm going to go ahead and install the database, the services, and that's it. And I'm going to go ahead and say Next. Then it's going to ask me to store updates in the following location. So at that point I can put in a path. So I'm going to say server A /test folder, and I'm going to go ahead and say Next. At the IIS screen, I'm just going to go ahead and say Next. I'm going to just accept the roles that it's going to give me. Again, I'll just say Next. The confirmation screen, here's the ability where I can go through and confirm everything. Now, on certain features and roles, the system will need to reboot after it's done being installed. You can always just check the restart box up here and then just say yes. Now, depending on the role or feature, if it needs to reboot, it'll just automatically do so. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and just choose Install. The actual WSUS is now going to install. I'm going to stop the video and I'll restart the video after everything's installed. Once everything is finished installing, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Close. After we click Close, it's going to bring us back to the Server Manager dashboard. We're going to go ahead and we're going to close that. In this video, I showed you how to install the WSUS service onto a Windows Server 2012 R2 system.